Suchitra is joining us again. Suchitra, big day today. India meet Australia in a grand finale for the third time since June 2023. India will be gunning for their sixth title today. Big day today.
Yes, Abhishek, it's a feeling of deja vu, we can say. ICC World Test Championship final, then the senior 50 over final, and now the under 19 World Cup final. It's India versus Australia once again, and we should just hope that, you know, the way our senior team performed, they were the clear favorites. They did not lose any match, and then in the grand finale, Australia came out top. So we just hope that the Indian under 19 team, they improve the performance. We have already lost two finals to Australia, so we should be lucky this time. This team, the under 19 team, should win this World Cup against Australia, and we know how they have performed, and we know how the captain, he seems to be the next Captain Cool, the way he has performed, the way he has proved to be the savior in the semi-final.
Yeah.
We just hope that if they can play with the same temperament, they will go on to win this World Cup.
Suchitra, also, like you mentioned, India have won their last 6 meetings against Australia at the Under-19 World Cup, if I clearly remember, including twice at the finals. Records are in India's favour, but yes, they will have to play good cricket.
Yes, we have won the last 6 meetings, and in fact, the last 2 finals against Australia, we defeated them in the finals the last time, once in the captaincy of Unmukt Chand and the second time in the captaincy of Manjot Kalra. And we just hope that Uday Saharan follow the footsteps of Unmukt Chand and Manjot Kalra and go on to win this World Cup final against Australia. But yes, the records are records. They are just on the paper. If we look at the 50 over senior men's World Cup final that was played in Ahmedabad, on paper, Indian team was the favorites, but on that particular day, the best teams win, the team that performs on that particular day. So we cannot just rely on the records. This team will have to perform on the ground if they have to win this World Cup final. They have the caliber, they have the temperament, but they will have to perform one more time, last time, if they want to become the world champions.
Right, Suchitra, last question before we leave you. Both semi-finals were very close. India versus South Africa and Australia versus Pakistan also. And both teams will be confident after winning those matches, semi-finals.
Yes, it always helps if you are going in the final after playing a high-pressure match. If we talk about India, they opted to field for the first time, and that was like quite a surprise. And maybe they wanted to test themselves, and they were in trouble at one point of time. But their captain Uday Saharan and Sachin Das, they played the saviors, and the same thing happened with Australia. At one point, it was looking that Pakistan will defeat them, but it was a very exciting match. Both the semi-finals were very exciting, so we should just hope that the final is equally exciting, because generally we see there are so many exciting matches in a tournament, but the final, it just ends up being one-sided, because one of the team, they crumble under the pressure. So we just hope that both these teams, they played superbly in the semi-finals. They maintained their temperament, they maintained their cool, and we just want to see an exciting final. And of course, we want to see India win, because we don't want Australia to score a hat-trick of World Cup titles win against India.
Right, Suchitra,
Abhishek.
exciting and intriguing matches on the cards. We'll leave it at that. Thank you for the time being. We'll keep taking updates from you.